Cryptocurrencies are continuing to crash. When is this bloodbath going to be over with? Because it seems that there is not going to be any ending anytime soon to this bloodbath. What is going on? Well, this video is important and pertinent if you hold any cryptocurrencies, so I highly suggest that you watch and stay unto the end for this very quick, get to the point video. And if you love cryptocurrencies, go ahead and smash up the like button and let me know if you think in the comments below, do you think that this crypto bloodbath is going to be over soon, or do you think we still have a lot more room to grow or to really just go down? So first and foremost, what we can see is that cryptocurrencies are just continuing to crash, and it is looking nasty. Look at this daily candle yesterday on Ethereum. It's going to be pretty much the same for every cryptocurrency. A big nasty candle where yesterday there was a 13% move to the downside, in addition to the previous drop that we saw a week prior. So we're seeing that yesterday we bounced up a little bit, but then just continued to crash down. And today, of course, we went down even further, but we're starting to bounce up this evening. So there is some signs of us actually bouncing up. And if I actually go and take us back to June 18th, when cryptocurrencies actually bottomed, when Ethereum hit about $800, it was a Saturday. It was the Saturday evening. So that's also something very interesting and noteworthy to watch. And remember, when Ethereum was dropping to 800, people thought that, okay, Ethereum is going to 200, Bitcoin is going to 10,000 or 4,000, Shiba Inu is going to 0, Dogecoin is going to 0.00, whatever. So people were still panicking and fearful at that very time. And guess what? Cryptos ended up recovering and bouncing up over 100%. Most cryptocurrencies actually bounced up over 100%. And that is very interesting. So looking at the charts right now, this is all that we have. And if you want to understand why cryptocurrencies are actually crashing and dropping, watch my previous two videos. But primarily, it just has to do with the market and traders and investors overreacting to the Fed minutes, where they are bearish and they want to raise interest rates even more. And the reason why cryptocurrencies went down further than a lot of stocks and everything else is because of massive liquidations. A lot of people were extremely bullish, thinking cryptos are going to the moon, which on the charts, they did appear so to look like that. But people were over leveraged and people got wrecked and liquidated. A lot of liquidations, and that's what pushes prices down really, really fast. So this evening, we've actually seen a significant bounce, and this is the 4-hour time frame, and this is a very bullish candle. This candle you will generally see when there's some sort of bottom potentially about to form. So we definitely need some more volume. We need to push up further for that to confirm. So we might actually have reached a bottom. It may or may not happen. We might, as the charts are indicating, we're extremely bearish. We might continue to sell off. So do understand that. Nothing of this video is financial advice. I'm just warning you all and letting you know that cryptocurrencies can go a bit further. And I'm also letting you know that we could actually have reached the bottom. And for Ethereum, this major support level, which all the altcoins and every coin is following, is about 1,550. And guess what? We went under it a little bit today, but we bounced up above it. So this is a major and critical support, which we are actually holding right now. So we should hopefully, fingers crossed, bounce up and get somewhat of a relief rally or a relief bounce. And as we know, next week, towards the end of next week, we have the PCE numbers coming out, which could actually potentially have a major bullish effect on the crypto market and help us to recover all of these losses and all of this red very, very quickly. And do understand that anytime there's been a significant amount of red, there's been a big crash, there's always a big bounce, no matter what. I mean, if you just go into the history of any cryptocurrency, anytime there is a significant crash, there's a significant bounce. I mean, if we just take a look at Ethereum, which is a good way to measure the whole crypto market a lot of times. You can also look at Bitcoin. Look at Ethereum when it went to 3,500 all the way from $2,200. Look at this. There was a major significant crash, and it looked like Ethereum, it was all the way around 3,300, crashed all the way down to 2,200 and bounced up to almost $3,600. And that happens all the time. So before big pumps, before really big moves, as we see before Ethereum made its all-time high, look at this. There's a major crash from the top to the bottom of 35%. And guess what it did? Immediately from the 35% crash, there was a 85% gain, which pushed Ethereum to the all-time high of nearly $5,000 from a low of $2,600. And guess what? If we zoom out on the charts, we are actually still bullish. We are still bullish, and I'm going to show you why. So this was the major low, and this was the high created from this low. We created another low, a higher high, which is good. We created another high and another higher low. In addition, we created another higher high, higher low. And right now, if we zoom out, we can just count, even though we've broken some pretty strong support levels, we can look at the previous major low, and this is still higher lows, guys. We are still bullish. We are still in an uptrend, even though it looks like the world is ending. So it's not over with. Cryptos are not done with. They always recover. They always bounce up. And there's nothing major to really push cryptos down in a fundamental way. We're just seeing a lot of fear, panic, and FUD, which happens all the time. So we're getting an overreaction in the market. Overreactions always have positive reactions after it. Overreactions that are emotional, based on fear and panic, and based on news that have no real substance, will be recovered. They always usually are recovered quite fast, and we probably will experience somewhat of a decent recovery this week. And I do believe, and I'm very confident, especially by the Ethereum merge, which is going to be taking place around September 14th to the 15th of September, that it is very likely that Ethereum will probably break $2,000 and quite beyond. That's my opinion, especially if we have the CPI numbers coming out bullish, where inflation is slowing down. We have PCE bullish, and then the Fed's going to be like, okay, inflation is coming down. We don't have to be as aggressive with interest rates. That information right there, if that does happen, it's not guaranteed to happen. If it does happen, though, it will pump the markets, and especially the entire crypto market. Shiba Inu, so many cryptocurrencies are going to benefit greatly from the Ethereum merge, which is going to be a huge reason and catalyst for people to buy cryptos before the merge. And it's likely to be a big event that's going to be pushing cryptocurrencies up before the event and even much after. Now, if you want to get access to buy and sell alerts for cryptocurrencies and constant updates in the market, so you know when to buy and sell at all times, I highly recommend you join tier 3 in the Patreon, where we also have a whales group, where it's a huge group full of experienced traders and investors, where we're always shooting around ideas and shooting a bunch of trades in there. If you're interested in that, join the Patreon. Also, make sure you claim your $5,000 deposit bonus over on Bybit. It is a crypto trading platform where you can long and short the market. You could have been shorting this market and making money, killing when the market has been crashing and dropping. You can even long the market, making money when the market is going up and down. If you are interested in that, if you're an experienced trader, go over to Bybit, use the link in my video description below, sign up with it, deposit crypto over there, and you can claim it to $5,000 for free. Highly recommend it. Definitely check it out. And also, if you want to learn how to make 1 to 2% every single day trading cryptocurrencies, go over on the link in my video description and apply. You will see it in the video description. Now, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for staying into the end. I appreciate your love and support. Consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, and share this video with at least one friend or family member, and I will see you all later.